Duplicating an object is something we do all the time when designing, and Affinity gives us several ways to do it. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 different methods, so you can pick whichever fits you best. The first method is the standard Ctrl or Command C to copy, and Ctrl or Command V to paste. If you don't see the duplicate, it's probably just overlapping with the original object. Just drag it out, and there you go. The second method is by pressing and holding the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on Mac while dragging the object to anywhere you want. And there you have it. The third one is using Power Duplicate. With the object selected, press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate. Then you can reposition and transform it. After that, you can press Ctrl or Command J repeatedly for as many copies as you want, with the transformation automatically applied to each duplicate. The fourth one is by using the Move/Duplicate dialog. With the Move tool selected, select the object you want to duplicate, then press Enter on Windows or Return on Mac to bring up the Move/Duplicate dialog. Enter the settings you want, such as horizontal, vertical, distance, angle, rotation, and scale. Then check Duplicate and insert or slide here to set the number of copies. You can also change the insertion mode to add the duplicate objects either in front of or behind the original object. Then click OK, and your object is now duplicated. And that's it. 4 methods to duplicate an object in Affinity. I hope this is useful for you. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and bye.